Trying to gift a game to your friend on Epic Games? Well, here's the truth. You can't. Not yet. I opened Epic Games, picked a game, hit Buy Now, expecting to see a Send as Gift option. But nope. Epic Games still doesn't support gifting games in 2025. Steam's had it for over a decade. Even mobile stores let you gift. But Epic? No option. No button. No workaround. Just you, your credit card, and disappointment. This is one of the most requested features, and it's wild that Epic still hasn't added it. You'd think with all the Fortnite money, they could build a simple gift system. Epic, if you're listening, gamers want this. And if you're tired of running into missing features like this, subscribe to Beyond the Algorithm. I'll show you what works, what doesn't, and what needs fixing.